Good morning, students. Welcome in science class. As you all know, now only few days, only counting days are remaining in your first term exam. Your second paper is of science, and all of you are aware of your paper pattern. Question answer won't be there. MCQ, fill in the blanks, true or false, and the match the column will come. But today, in this video, chapter 8, Animals Everywhere, long question answer. Simply we are discussing, you don't have to learn. So if any fill in the blanks, yeah, true or false, yeah, match the column is coming, you will be able to give the answer. Just you see this video once. First question, question D, long question answer given on page number 8080, chapter 8, Animals Everywhere, page 8080, question D. Answer these questions. Question C in your textbook. Name few animals found around you. Write one characteristic features of each animal. Answer. A few groups of animals found around us are fish, amphibians, mammals, insects, birds, and the reptiles. In that first, fish, the characteristic feature of the fish, that a fish breathes through its gills. Second, amphibian, a frog is an amphibian. A baby frog or a tadpole, they breathe through its gills. An adult frog, when they are on the land, they breathe through its lungs and through its moist skin in water. Mammals, they breathe with the help of lungs. Insects are six-legged creatures that usually use their legs for movement. The forelimbs of a bird are in the form of wings which help it to fly. Reptiles have a dry scaly skin and lay soft shelled eggs on land. Second question, how is the breathing process of an insect different from that of a fish? Answer, insects breathe through air holes on their bodies. So if the fill in the blanks is like this way, insects breathe through dash on their bodies, or insects breathe through air holes on their bodies called dash. So your answer will be spiracles. Here in the answer form it is given like this way, insects breathe through air holes on their bodies called spiracles, and the fish breathe through their gills. Third question, what special features help animals to move? Water animals move with the help of fins, webbed feet, and pedal-like. Third answer, the water animals move with the help of fins, webbed feet, and pedal-like limbs. Fourth question, how do insects move? Insects move with the help of their legs and wings. Some insects like ants and cockroaches crawl on their legs. A grasshopper uses its hind legs for hopping. Insects like butterflies have one or two pairs of wings and can fly. Snakes move. Say fifth question, snakes are reptiles without any legs. How do they move? Snakes move with the help of plates on the underside of their bodies, which are attached to their ribs. The plate acts like feet and the ribs act like legs. Strong muscles and flexible strong muscles and backbone also help them to move. Again, students, I am repeating, question answer you don't have to learn. Only for your knowledge, we are discussing this long question answer. Question E. Write in the correct columns the names of the animals given in the box. First, lungs. In the lungs, camel, pigeon, monkey, crocodile, elephant, crow, woodpecker, bat, snake, man and whale. Means all this they breathe through their lungs. Second column, fish, tadpole and prawn. They breathe through their gills. Third column, grasshopper and the butterfly. They are having the air holes on their body surface known as the spiracles. They breathe through their spiracles. Next, amoeba and the paramecium. They breathe through their body surfaces. Fill in the blanks. Here, rodents, flightless birds and the reptiles are given, and three boxes are given. You have to fill these boxes. In the rodents, rabbit, mice and the squirrels are coming in the rodents category. Rhea, emu and the ostrich are known as the flightless birds. Next, lizard, snake and the crocodile, they are coming in the reptiles. So students, in that previous video also we had discussed tick the correct answer, change the underlined words and the short answers, and on that in oral boxes oral questions are given on page number 77, page number 74. That also you have to learn. And best of luck for your first term exam. Do it well and perform it well with the confidence. Thank you students.